Yo, this is a quick video for people that were asking me about the action camera mounts. This is made by Klim. It's for the Klim helmets. This happens to be the F3 series helmet. They make it for the F5 series helmet as well. This is by far the best mount I've used. It looks awesome when you play it back, of course, because you're in the perfect field of view there. Top camera mounts have been an absolute nightmare for me. I end up ripping them off. Side mounts are kind of whatever. Body mounts are lame as hell. I did put one up here, which was pretty cool. The problem is I can't see worth a shit, so it gets kind of in my line of sight if you've got a bigger camera. Also, you've got to flip it, so you got to do a little bit of flipperoo in post. So that's not the best either. So this has been awesome for me. Highly recommend it. If you've got a Klim helmet, get this. I believe they call it just that, Klim chin vent mount or something like that, something similar to that. So there you go. Thanks. See ya.